Hey, Lils. Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are you going?
I'm this way.
What is this way? The beach. What are you gonna do at the beach today?
I'm gonna play this guy. These guys.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That sounds like fun.
Where are we, Lo?
Where are we?
On the floor.
Yeah, we're on the floor. What country are we in? We took a plane to fly here.
Aruba.
Aruba, 2009. Probably August 1st, I think.
Oh, I know. I'm Minnie Mouse.
Hey, Minnie Mouse. You look like a movie star in your little outfit. Hey, guys. Good morning, Mommy. Good morning, Cooper.
Minnie goes to beach.
Hi. Coopy.
I'm ready for the beach.
Lils, can you press the button on the elevator?
Yeah.
Thanks. Pick up your basket. We don't want to forget it. Which elevator's gonna come? That one? You were right. Okay, can you press number 1, please? Number 1. Number 1.
No, not that
Not the
one.
bell. Number 1.
Button next to number 1.
There you go.
Good job.
You wanna look out the window? Woo! I can see everybody's reflection. Okay, pick up your basket, Lils. Okay,
Good job.
let's go to the beach, guys. Sound good, Mommy?